The Continental Free Trade Area was declared official on January 1, 2021. This was decided during the African Union Conference 13th Extraordinary Session on the Continental Free Trade Area held on December 5, 2020 in Johannesburg, South Africa. This vast continental market currently brings together 54 signatory countries of the agreement establishing this vast continental market, including Burundi. To inform Burundian economic operator of this vast continental market, the East African Business Council, in collaboration with the Burundian Traders Association, ACOBU, organized a 2-day training course from November 7 to 8, 2024 for Burundian economic operators of small and medium enterprises in order to raise awareness of the advantages offered by this vast continental market. Jean Samandali, Secretary General of the Association of Traders of Burundi, said that besides the advantages that Burundian traders draw in the East Africa community, which has 6 countries, and in the economic community of South and East Africa, COMESA, which include 21 countries, Burundian traders are now free to practice their business in 54 African countries, which form the Continental Free Trade Area, and several opportunities are offered to them because now the field is wider. They have the freedom to import and export in these different countries with the removal of tariff barriers. This is an asset for economic operator in Burundi, as said Jean Samandari. The participants who benefit from this 2-day training says they have benefited from the knowledge of the existence of this vast continental market.
These trainings are very helpful for us because they give us all the information that we need, from the legal part, from the policies part, and even the benefits that are there in FCFTA for even business people. So the information that we get from this training are very helpful for us. The benefits that I see from the ACFTA is the trade that will be facilitated by this agreement, and the fact that we can have a larger market from importation and exportation of our product and products that are made in Africa. There is as well the change that will be for knowledge and business interconnection and networking.
According to what you see, do you see that businessmen and women are ready to use the free trade, the continental area?
Already some of us, business people from Burundi, we already do the trade in other countries from Africa. So this is a large open portal to make more exportation and to go beyond COMESA, to go beyond EAC, and to reach at the African level.
Ask the government of Burundi to continue this type of awareness raising among economic actors working in the private sector.